If your Hisense Roku TV keeps restarting, then you are dealing with one of two completely different problems, and the fix for each one is totally different. Let me break them down. Problem 1. The boot loop. This is when your TV never finishes starting up. You see the Hisense or Roku logo, the screen goes black, and it starts over. Over and over. It never reaches the home screen. Before you open anything up, try these two things first. Unplug the TV from the wall, then press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 10 seconds. This drains any leftover power. Now leave it unplugged for at least 10 minutes. Plug it back in and test it. If that didn't work, flip the TV around and look for the reset button on the back. Hold it down for about 15 seconds while the TV is plugged in. Still in a boot loop, then the problem is almost certainly on the power board. The most common culprit is a failed capacitor. Capacitors are small cylindrical components that store electrical energy and keep the voltage stable. When one fails, the power board can't deliver clean power to the TV, so it keeps rebooting before it ever fully starts. Here's how to check. Unplug the TV and wait at least 30 minutes. This is important for safety. Then lay it face down on a soft surface and remove the back cover. Find the power board. It's usually the one connected directly to the power cord. Now look closely at the capacitors. A healthy one has a completely flat top. A bad one will have a bulging or swollen top, leaking residue, or visible discoloration. If you find one, note the values printed on the side, the capacitance and voltage rating. You can replace it with an identical part, or one with the same capacitance and an equal or higher voltage rating. Before you touch anything, make sure the power cord, Wi-Fi module, and LVPS cable are all disconnected. One critical thing: polarity matters. The negative side has a stripe on the capacitor. Install it the same direction as the original. Not comfortable soldering? Replacing the whole power board is often easier, and it usually costs a fraction of what a new TV would run you. Problem 2. Random restarts after it's been running. This one's different. Your TV turns on fine, works for a few minutes, maybe even half an hour, and then suddenly reboots itself. In this case, a capacitor is probably not the issue. The two most common causes are software glitches and HDMI conflicts. Start with another power cycle. Same drill, unplug, hold the power button for 10 seconds, leave it for 10 minutes, plug it back in. If it still restarts, disconnect every HDMI device. Streaming sticks, game consoles, cable boxes, soundbars, all of it. Run the TV on power alone. If the random restarts stop, you've found your problem. Certain devices send bad HDMI-CEC commands that trigger an unexpected reboot. Go into Settings and disable HDMI-CEC, then reconnect your devices one at a time to find the specific culprit. If the TV still restarts with nothing connected, do a factory reset to clear any software corruption. And that's it. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.